So we start off today's video with someone who has this beautiful ginger colored hair. The stylist is doing a layered look for this one. I absolutely love her hair color. Now, the look of layers has been trending for a couple of years now, and I think it's just a great way to add some shape and overall volume to your hair. Great way to mix in some texture and pretty much just shake up a boring hairstyle. So there is the before and there is the after. Looks like he cut off quite a bit of length here. Definitely giving me like 70s vibes with the outfit and everything. Gorgeous color. Such a cute, fun hairstyle. So moving on to transformation number 2. So it looks like she's getting more of a pixie cut with this one. Bangs going there in the front to help frame out the shape. Definitely giving a messy, chic vibe look with this one. And the Peter Pan pixie is definitely a classic. Next up, we have someone who already has some bangs. Looks like she has some color going there towards the ends. And it looks like she wants to get more of a French girl style bob. There's all the hair on the floor. The bob ends just around the jawline, really creating a nice face framing shape. And she still has a little hint of color going there towards the ends. Bangs in the front. Look at how precise that cutting is. There is the before and there is the after. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way that this frames her face. Very sophisticated and polished bob haircut. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.